Hello Shiny Crafty People, it's Tim Totten here and welcome back to the channel. I'm actually in my kitchen right now and I want to show you something I'm going to be making. I want to make sort of like an apple pie from like McDonald's, you know, the traditional old fried apple pie. And I'm using some egg roll wrappers. You'll see them right here. I got these on discount actually. So I open up that egg roll wrapper, they're very thin, and I bought some apple pie filling. Now you could just get an apple yourself and then mix it with sugar and everything else, but I'm just gonna get a little bit of this filling. And I'm gonna chop up the little pieces a little bit because I don't want it to be too thick. A little of this apple pie filling. Make sure there's some apple pie pieces in it. I want as much apple as filling. I only did a little bit. You'll see there I'm not doing a whole lot. I'm gonna fold one end over and bring the two little wraps in and then fold it to the end. I'll use just a little bit of the apple pie filling to tighten it up. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it into this oil I have on the stove. Now I have my oil set to about 300 degrees and I put that in that oil. Okay, I'll get the camera moved and I'll show you what this looks like. So you'll notice that it's already starting to bubble up and I'm gonna let it go. You kind of want to keep your oil to a temperature, and you'll see this is going to go way up, a little over 300. You don't want to go too high. You see it's at about I have it about 325, I think it went to. But you'll notice it doesn't take a long time to do this. In fact, I'm sort of showing this to you real time. And I'm going to just go ahead and make sure that you could use a bigger thing of oil too, I just didn't want to. I'm using sunflower oil for this, but you could use whatever you want right now. Let me get the cinnamon sugar. I just have some cinnamon sugar ready, so it'll be like when I'm at, you know, the old style McDonald's. You know, I'm 49 this year, and I fell in love with those McDonald's apple pies that were fried, and then they stopped making them because they were fried, and they do baked now, and I'm just not really a fan. You'll see it's getting in there. Now, you cannot eat these right away. Just important to note. You cannot eat these right away. So you do have to let it cool a little bit. I am going to put it in the cinnamon sugar pretty quickly, just so it will adhere. You get it hard enough. Take it out. That was in there not even a full minute and a half. And then we can put that into our cinnamon sugar and roll it around. And we have that done. In fact, I already made one. I tested one. Let me move that oil off the heat so that it stops making so much noise. I already tested one, and look how good this looks on the inside. Ooh. I want to show you what it looks like. Me eating it. So good and easy. And actually, as long as you trust them around the oil, a lot of fun to do with your kids or grandkids. Until next time, stay crafty and hungry.